it's me, Sweetie, and thank you for being here for another video. I could not be more excited today because I got something very special in the mail just a few minutes ago. I was in the middle of filming my Cute Nail Studio haul and unboxing, which I'll link up above for you guys, check it out. And my husband let me know that I got a package in the mail I have been waiting for what feels like forever. It's my Bisoulovely order! Here is the super cute packaging. Hopefully the lights aren't destroying it too much. But yes, this is an order from Bisoulovely that I made back in September, I think. And they do absolutely gorgeous pieces inspired by magical girls, which is why I donned my magical girl best to film this video. And when I heard that they were releasing a Madoka Magica collection, bruh, I lost it. For those of you that don't know, Madoka Magica is my favorite anime of all time. As you could probably tell if you saw my figure collection video, which I will link above as well, I am absolutely obsessed with Madoka. So they had a gorgeous collection of different rings and earrings and necklaces, and I was so torn on what to get until I saw the one I knew I had to have. It is this 3-piece set that has a beautiful large stone in the middle and 2 additional more petite rings on the top and the bottom. So today I will be unboxing that ring. I think I ordered the right size. I really hope I did. So I'll be, of course, trying it on and showing you close-ups of all the details. So let's rip into this. I'm just going to snip the bag open first. So there is another little box inside the bag, and it has a cute little pink ribbon on it. As you may know, I am a sucker for packaging, so I love that. So I'm just going to pop open the top here very easily, like an adult human with thumbs. Okay, there we go. Open the top. Okay, so we have what looks like a little, maybe an order pamphlet or something in the top. Oh, it's so beautiful. Like, all of their packaging and cards and stuff are so pretty. So this card is just a little bit about their social media programs that they offer, nothing super specific to my order. And then there's some pink tissue underneath that. So we've got a few little goodies in the bag here. There are a few postcards. So we've got this cute little postcard here. I ordered this before Christmas, so they probably included this with all the orders going out around that time. Oh my gosh! Okay, well, I have to keep these and put them in my beauty room. Here is this postcard. It's got all of the girls on it. I love the art. And then we've got this one here. Looks like kind of like a little stained glass inspired art. Okay, I love these. I love getting little bonuses in my orders, and I love especially when they're art that I can keep and put on my walls. Okay, a couple more items in here. Looks like just a business card from them. I love their branding, so beautiful. And then it looks like it also comes with this nice little like velvet pouch, again with their branding on it, and it is a drawstring pouch. Wow, the fabric is really, really thick. I love that they thought to include something like this. It reminds me of how Cupot, which is a jewelry retailer from Japan, also includes like little storage bags like this with their stuff. It's a really nice extra touch. Okay, so in the bottom here, I have the last 2 items you can see. The little jewelry boxes themselves, so I'm gonna pull those out. Oh, I'm so excited. My hands are like shaking. So here are the 2 little boxes themselves. So cute. They look like little dessert boxes or something. Oh, and there was one more item. They included a little polishing rag as well. So I really appreciate all the little goodies they included as well. It's nice to have that extra value added to your purchase. Okay, so which one should I open up first, left or right? Comment down below and see if you get it right. Okay, I'm gonna go with the left one first. I'm like afraid to open it. It's gonna be so beautiful. Okay. Whoa. Oh, I need a moment. Oh, they're so pretty and delicate. So these are the top and bottom rings from the set. The top one is based on Homura. It's got a purple gem and the wings, and the bottom ring is representative of each of the girls. There's a stone for each of them, a pink for Madoka, blue for Sayaka, yellow for Mami, red for Kyoko, and a purple, of course, for Homura as well. Okay, so these are the two extra rings, which means this one is the Madoka ring itself. Just pop this bad boy off. I'm not gonna cry over anime girl jewelry. I'm not gonna do it. I might do it a little bit. Wow. So like, I don't buy nice jewelry for myself. I get, you know, whatever cute little cheap thing I can find. But these are so nice. Here is the Madoka ring in all her glory. It is based on her soul gem, and it of course has adorable little cherry blossoms around it. So here they are, side by side, the full set in their boxes. Look how sparkly they are. So these are really, really nice, and I'm so excited to put them on. And I hope they fit. I hope I got the right size. Okay, moment of truth. It's perfect. It fits perfectly. Oh my gosh, look how sparkly. Oh, I'm gonna wear this every day. I'm never gonna take it off. Okay, so let me add the additional top and bottom rings as well. So here is the bottom ring. I think I'm gonna wear this on my middle finger actually, because in the show that's where the girls wear their soul gem rings. So just to be extra nerdy and obnoxious, I think I'm gonna wear it on my middle finger, which fits just a little more snug, which I like. So there's the bottom ring, and even that one just on its own is so like delicate and beautiful. I would just wear that one by itself. Okay, and then I'm going to add the Madoka ring. That just makes me smile, seeing them together. Wow, how beautiful. So here are those two together. So unbelievably sparkly and gorgeous. And now I will add the top ring, the Homura ring. I have never felt more fabulous in my whole life. My goodness. Look at this set together. This is so beautiful. And I can't wait to wear this every day for the rest of my life. So like I said, I do not ever buy myself really nice jewelry, and these are really, really nice items. They are plated golds with cubic zirconia, jewels, and the sparkle on this is incredible. I know I've been showing it off to the camera, I can't stop, but you can tell that these are really well made. The details are absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just going to be staring at this with tears in my eyes for the rest of the day. And you know, this could not have come out at a better time. It was actually the 10th anniversary of Madoka Magica yesterday when I'm filming this. This will be published a little bit later, but it's the 10-year anniversary, and I have loved this anime for so long. I was playing the mobile game, which RIP North American server, you will be missed. So I think it's about time I sat down and watched the series again, enjoyed all the movies, while trying not to be distracted and only staring at my beautiful new set of rings. And if you would like your own magical girl jewelry, I will of course link Bisoulovely's website down below. Definitely go check them out. Well, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today on my channel. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my day. I hope you enjoy yours as well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!